Hey everybody. Well, I'm out in the garage today, and as you can see, there is no Grenadier in the garage. And there's a reason for that. And that reason is that the other day, we were getting ready to go to the store. We backed the Grenadier out of the garage, and it stalled in the driveway and wouldn't restart. So if you followed our Grenadier story, you know what a gut-busting feeling it was to see this pull into the driveway. But we jumped under it. We attempted to get the transfer case into neutral. And when we got back out, jumped out, tested it, we found out that it hadn't actually fully gone into neutral. So we jumped back under it. We were able to get this turned in all the way. So make sure if you're ever putting your Grenadier into the tow mode that you make sure before they start tugging on it that it's in neutral. And the good folks at Mica were able to get this thing up onto the flatbed once we got the thing into neutral and got it ready to head over to Knauz Ineos in Chicago. They have had, and I've been postponing this video until I found out, they have figured out what it was. The problem was that it cranked but wouldn't start, same as it did in Cabo. And they have found that it has a faulty fuel pump module, and the part is on order. So hopefully we have it back very shortly.